Don't click off or zoom through. Say it with me. We listen and we don't judge. Now, I know I'm not the only person who's done some cringy stuff with makeup, so let me know if we've been living the same life in our makeup application journey. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's your girl Imani, and this is my 12 days of Shop Miss A. Oh my gosh, I know I have been under the weather, so if you've been keeping up with me, thank you so much for checking in on me. I feel so much better than I have in the past couple days, so I'm ready to get into this look, but also this topic. So I've been seeing this we listen and we don't judge trend going on, and there's so many relatable things to do, but I feel like why not tie it into something that we all are here for, which is makeup. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So, first things first, we listen and we don't judge. Now, I have fallen victim to watching one of my favorite influencers and assuming that me and her was the same shade. And I bought a foundation that was 2 shades too light for me. And it was so bad because I wasn't even blending down to my neck or anything. And then when I would go to take photos, and oh my gosh, if I can find some, I'm going to put them in here. The flashback was so horrible. Like quite literally, I looked like Michael Jackson. Like it was not cute. I was like, what the freak? Oh, I wish I can go back and be like, girl, just because y'all might look alike, Bookie, y'all don't have the same skin type. Go fix that. That looks horrible. What was I thinking? Oh, another honorable mention too. Oh my gosh, putting on lashes with weave glue. What the freak? I could have went blind and nobody told me that. And then I didn't know that I was turning into a naked mole rat. I was literally tearing off my little bitty lashes that I had. Who told me that that was okay? Who told me that that's how you apply lashes? Say it with me, because I know we've all done this. We listen, we don't judge, but that daggone product, baby, throw it out. Throw it out. I know you like money. Why? Because it expired like 2 years ago. Most people don't know, but like with makeup, that little jar on the back that has a number that says 6 or 3 or 12 or 24, baby, that is the expiration date. So if you have anything past that, like if you bought that back in 2020 during COVID, baby, what are you putting on your face? What are you doing? Let me not be a hypocrite though, because I know I still got some eyeshadow palettes that I don't plan on letting go of because the pigment still eats down and the just still worse. Why would I get rid of it? But yes, sis, throw that away. It is not it. Another honorable mention here. Oh, the girls are not gonna like me for this one, but Facetune, baby, that smooth filter, baby. What facial features, what structures, what definition? Because baby, I literally looked like a blur, and not in a good way. I was using Facetune down. I'm talking about the colors, the vibrance, all of that stuff, just because I didn't know what I was doing back then. I was trying to keep up with the girlies, and girl, instead of trying to keep up, get your life together. But that Facetune smooth filter, that smoothing filter, girl, tell me you don't know how to do makeup without telling me you don't know how to do makeup. So my next, we listen and we don't judge. Oh my gosh, my brows. When I first started doing makeup, the first thing I taught myself how to do was brows. Now, I used to think like, oh, this is eats. I know what I'm doing. This is mad cute. Going back, it looked so bad. I looked like a daggone Angry Bird. Like they were so blocky and so black because I was using a black eyeliner pencil. Girl, calm down. Calm down. You look angry all the time. What is this? That was a huge no-no for me. Like seriously, we were not doing it. Oh, another thing that I used to do, don't judge me, was when I used to put on makeup, I did not use a primer. I didn't even moisturize my face. I used to just slap makeup on, which kind of goes hand in hand with this next thing. Bookie, I was using wet products. So if you're new here and not familiar with the term wet products is like, you know, your foundations, liquid concealer, stuff like that. I'll even go as far as saying creams. I was using that stuff and I was not setting. I'm talking about, what the freak is a setting powder? What is powder blush? What you mean set this contour? What do you mean? Baby, no. I was putting it on and going out like I was invincible. Then on top of that, I have oily skin. Can you imagine the transfer that was going on here? I would touch my face and my whole face would come off. Like, girl, what are you doing? Go set this. What is that? That is so crazy to me. Then, oh, this ain't for me per se, but I have heard some people say this. So we're gonna still say, I'm saying with you. I haven't done this, but I'll say it with you. We listen and we don't judge. If you used to be out there sharing your lip gloss or sharing makeup brushes, baby, stop that. That ain't it. We're not doing that. You don't know what they got on their face. You don't know who they've been kissing and, you know, putting their mouth on. We don't do that. So if you're out there, if you're trying to be a good sis in a different way. Get her own bottle, okay? Tell her go get it herself. We're not sharing makeup brushes. We're not sharing anything. Go get your own stuff. Not even my eyeshadow palettes, baby. I'm not gonna wake up with a sty or a little kissing bump. We not gonna. That is so nasty. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. Not at all. Oh, so I haven't done this in so long, but once again, this is kind of like an intervention for all of us. We listen and we don't judge. On the nights, whether, you know, you had a little drinky drink or, you know, you just had a wild night and you decided, I'm too cute, I want to keep this same look, I'm gonna go to bed. Baby, go wash your face. We are not doing that. What do you mean you went to sleep in your makeup? And then I've heard, when I used to say clients, I've heard my clients say this too, talking about something. It lasted all night. And I'm like, okay, you know, you was up partying, having a good time, even till the next day, and I had a photo shoot the next day. Baby, what do you mean the same face that I put on you 24 and some change hours ago, you wearing to the photo shoot? Don't get me wrong. I'm glad that it eats down. I'm glad that it still stayed. I'm glad that in the photos it came out amazing. But baby, for your skin, is your skin okay? No, ma'am. We are not doing that. We're not doing that. But guys, I feel like we've all literally experienced the same journey in makeup. Like, so seriously, like really sitting down and thinking about it, from our brows to eyeshadows not really being blended properly to just plopping it on there and just looking literally like a clown. And I really don't like to say that, but sometimes that's literally what we look like because we don't know what we're doing. But this is why you find a good sis that's good with makeup, like me, for instance. And we learn, we listen and we learn. That's what we're gonna change it to. Not we listen and we don't judge. No, we listen and we learn here with Imani. So let me know down in the comments, you know, what was a makeup habit that you were guilty of that was not good for you? Like, so seriously, like, started off with we listen and we don't judge in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this and you laughed along the way I did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun makeup moments with your girl. Also, do not forget that this 12 days of Shop Miss A, I will be doing one more huge giveaway. So if you're watching this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to tune into my live on Friday, because that is where I will be announcing the giveaway winner. You can still participate. Just make sure to subscribe to my channel and I will get further details on that live. And I can't believe my 12 days of Shop Miss A is almost up, but I am so happy for all the winners that have won in the beginning. And then I can't wait to meet my next and final winner for this series. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.